What is going on, Technoid Nation? It's the SMT, Sneed Mobile Tech. I'm here filling in for Mike today on this episode of Technoid. We still got some tech news for you. Stick around for this episode as we discuss all things Apple and iPhone for this next generation of devices. Go ahead and cue the intro, Mike. Let's see you guys on the other side.
Sorry to pardon Sneed Mobile Tech, but Technoid here, and I am doing the editing as we speak, and I just gotta ask my brother, what is going on with this filter? What is this? Come on, Big Titty Tabitha, you knew I was gonna see this. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Okay, so reports are running rampant all over the internet. There's a lot of news that are really starting to pick up a lot of steam about the iPhone's next generation of devices. So really, so far, what I'm seeing as a continuous trend are a few things. Number one, the iPhone minis are not selling. Expect that to kind of be like the dodo bird and go extinct. I don't know when they'll discontinue the sales. I don't know when they'll completely discontinue the device. But it's not really selling, and it's not very popular. I know a lot of people say they like smaller iPhones. It looks like whatever the SE had to offer and the regular iPhone 12 was plenty good, and people are not asking for the mini. So that being the case, maybe it's the price point, I don't know, whatever it is, that is probably going to be done. That experiment totally failed, and looks like the loud minority tricked Apple into making that device. This next set of news actually is about the iPhone cellular connectivity. It looks like all of the devices are going to be 5G capable moving forward. Now, in terms of all the models, that would mean the next generation of regular iPhone, so we'll call it the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, that all makes sense. The next one is interesting because it appears there's going to be a refreshed version of the SE. And if that happens, that would qualify it as having 5G. So it's going to be some kind of an entry-level device for the iPhone, and the price point should be very attractive, and it's going to have 5G built in. So as your favorite carriers are building out their incredible 5G networks with millimeter wave and mid-band and low-band, all that great stuff, and you get these improved latencies and these blazing fast speeds and this upload capacity, it's going to be great, and all the iPhones in the lineup will be able to do it. So that'll be awesome. So now we know a couple of things based on all this rumor, because there's so much of it. When there's smoke, we know there's fire. So no more mini, and all the iPhones are going to have 5G, and it looks like we're getting a refresh to the SE. Now, in terms of when to expect the SE, they're talking about spring of next year, so don't expect that this year. Usually those reports are pretty accurate. So if you're interested in that phone and you're holding off to get a budget iPhone brand new with 5G, you might have to wait till spring 2022. But if you're looking for something more flagship level, that you can probably get the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max here in the fall. They'll all have 5G also. So let me know what you guys think of the news. That's kind of interesting. I was looking at that. I know they were talking about the processors. They'll have an A15 chip in this new SE. That's kind of exciting. A kind of sort of mid-range budget option of an iPhone. That should sell really well, and because it's got 5G, it kind of does future-proof it. Let me know what you guys think of that. Let me know what you think of the possibility, and if you're excited about it. I'm really not a mid-ranger or entry-level kind of guy. I usually like going flagships, but that does intrigue me, and that sounds like it could be a big seller for Apple. Let me know in the comments section what you think of the news and the speculation going around in the news circuits today about these up-and-coming iPhones. Technoid, thank you for having me. Technoid Nation, Mike, appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of your vacation, and we will see you all very soon. Peace.